The question that's been asked is what happens when you receive a client retainer and how do you account for it? Let me walk you through some of the steps that you need to do when you receive a client retainer and how uLaw will help you manage the accounts of that. So for that, let's first create quickly a new client. Now, Amy Williams has just walked into your office and you have created a matter for her. Say it is a speeding ticket matter, and first you will give the matter a name, and here you will put it under the category under which you think this one is. Like for example, this is a traffic violation. After negotiating with the client, you might be asking her for a retainer. And when she gives you a retainer, you want to record the retainer. To record the retainer, click on Disbursement/Retainer tab, and then there is a button called New Retainer. When you click on Retainer, it'll ask you the amount that you received from Amy Williams. Say it's a $500 amount. You'll enter the amount. Now, she could have either paid you check or cash. So if it's a bank transaction or a cash transaction, you want to check on that. Now, the method of payment needs to be recorded. It could be a check, money order, bank transfer. Sometimes it can be an email transfer or a certified check. So in this case, let's assume it's a check. And you would immediately enter the check number. Say it's 43. And then you would deposit the money into your bank account, which is a pooled trust account that you have, say with one of the Canadian banks. And finally, once you're satisfied with all the fields, you would click on Apply. Now, once you've clicked on Apply, what it does is it does two things. One, it records the amount against the matter speeding. Also, it makes a few journal entries automatically in accounts. And let's see what they are. So for that, you would click on Accounts, and you would go to Pool Trust Accounts, and you would see that there is a retainer entry for Amy Williams for this matter that you created. Check number was 43 and the amount is 500. Now, when you click on it, it'll show you how the double entry was actually recorded, that it was actually debited into your bank account and credited into what we call trust amount client's account with a subledger entry saying it's for Amy Williams, and that's the file number. Now, this is where uLaw gets pretty interesting, where if you have to generate any document for the Law Society regarding your retainer, like a trust ledger, it's very simple. You just click on Document Generation, click on Ledger, Trust Amount Clients, click on All Transactions, and you can start typing Amy, pick her name, just download. Now, this should show you clearly what you did. Basically, here it says that on 2nd of June, you received a check from Amy, which is check number 43, recorded as a receipt, and the balance in trust is $500. So to summarize, you entered the new retainer in the matter, and uLaw automatically entered the accounts for you in the accounts.